Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. On the hourly chart of IRCTC, we have a breakout level above 625 rupees. This is nothing but an ascending triangle pattern. Second thing, the recovery is shaping up from the level of 600 rupees, which happens to be a double bottom as well. This is first time price bottomed out, and this is the latest failure of sellers. Look at the volume build up as well, along with higher highs and higher lows pattern. So the stock is looking quite promising to test the level of 650 rupees in subsequent sessions. As I said, we will be buying 630 rupees of strike price of February monthly expiry only if the stock price goes above 627 rupees. I have given targets till 651 rupees, followed by a stop loss of 3 rupees only.